Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to talk with you about intro video making. If you are a content creator or if you are a new YouTuber, you must need a intro video to present your video professionally to your audience. There is so many apps available on Play Store. By those apps, you can easily create your intro video on your mobile phone. But I'm going to tell you 5 best apps name. By those apps, you can create easily intro video using your mobile phone, and of course it's free of cost. Okay, so number 1 is Intro Designer Latte, number 2 Legend, number 3 Animoto Video Maker, number 4 Intro Maker Outer Maker, number 5 Viva Video. So thank you very much everyone. Please try those apps one by one, and I'm sure from those apps, at least one apps you will like it very much, and I'm sure it will help you to create your intro video. Okay, so that's all for today. Please visit my channel, and if you like my old videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much everyone.